Hi, my name is Dr. Ingham and I'm the clinic director here at Advanced Spine and Sports Care. A question I'm often asked by new patients is, do adjustments hurt? It's very important to understand that communication is key. About 10% of the population will experience some soreness after their first few adjustments. If that's you, don't be alarmed. Put some ice on it and let your doctor know about it immediately. Again, I always use the analogy of using braces. If you've known anyone who's had braces put on their teeth can be sore. Same concept with what we're doing. We're moving things around and the muscles might react. So remember, ice, not heat, and we'll see you at your next appointment. For more information, check us out online at chiropracticsportscare.com.